Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick video, picked up a couple items from Walmart. I picked up a 4th jug. I have 3 of these jugs already, and I picked up a movie, and I picked up some other stuff, but that other stuff isn't necessary. It's just food and stuff. But please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Sorry, I kind of feel stuffed up today, kind of feel a little sick. This has actually been sitting here for like 2 days. Not on this tray, but sitting over here. This tray was just down. I picked up a 4th one of these jugs for a different fluid, and I picked up a movie. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff on this list. These are just only 2 things that are kind of relevant to the channel. I got the newest Purge movie, so the Forever Purge. I have the other 4 movies, and I figured, hey, this would be a nice add to the collection. They are pretty good movies. I like them. The other thing is it kind of should be what we should be doing to our government right now. Just saying. I don't really need to say the president's name or anything else. You guys just, you know. And the jug, I picked up another jug. They ended up having like 4 or 5 of these jugs, and what I did is I took the nozzle caps, these little caps right here, out of 2 of the other jugs, because the 2 jugs that I bought, somebody did the same thing. They took 2 of the caps. That's why 2 of the jugs didn't have these caps in them right here to protect dust from getting in them and stuff like that. I don't really like taking items off of items when I'm buying them from the store, but I feel that these little plugs are important, because if you have something in here like oil or something, if you leave it in the house, even with this cap on top, it will eventually get dust through the nozzle. If you want it compact, the only other way is to literally thread this nozzle on, is the only other way. And sometimes you just don't want it to be that long for no reason. But so I did take 2 caps, just enough to plug the 2 containers that I have that are capless. So I have 3 jugs over here, in this corner right here, on top of my welder and stuff. So this one right here is missing a cap. And this is actually my 5th jug. And this jug right here doesn't have a cap either. So I put the 2 caps in there. So I have a total of 5 of these jugs. I like them. I've used all of these over here have stuff written on them. This one says I put on it engine oil. This one in green is antifreeze and water. That one in red is trans fluid. That one is blank because I haven't put anything on it. But you can, like I could always put, brake fluid on one of these and fill it with brand new brake fluid, 6 quarts worth. If you wanted to do that, you can. You can use them for all kinds of things. You don't even have to use them for automotive if you don't want. They are in the automotive section. They are made in the USA. Factory certified in the USA as well. So that is kind of nice to see. I just picked up another jug. and a movie. The rest of the stuff I picked up is like potatoes and soda and a couple cans for the kids for raviolis and a couple boxes of Cheetos mac and cheese. Picked up 2 of these, regular, just bold and cheesy. I also picked up 2 boxes of the cheddar jalapeno Cheetos, which actually taste like the chips. And we gave those to the kids. The kids seemed to like them. And you know, I got a couple things of soda. I got this Pepsi Black Cherry Cola. My personal opinion, it's disgusting. It tastes like, whether it's cold or it's warm, to me it tastes like black cherry cough syrup. So I wouldn't recommend that Pepsi. The Pepsi Mango is good though. The Pepsi Mango actually tastes like mangoes in a bottle. And then we picked up some other stuff. I had to pick up dog food, cat food for the stray cats. I also went to O'Reilly's. Got a package in here from eBay that we'll do a video on as well. But that's all I got for you guys. I really like these jugs. These jugs are $9.90 or something like that a piece. They're not bad. They're not heavy. They're easy to control. You can actually control the pour with this nozzle. This actually worked extremely well for putting in radiator fluid. As an example, into both the radiator as well as the catch can or the expansion tank. But so you got, these are rubber tethered caps. It's got nice rounded edges so it doesn't spray out or, you know, spray in a wide fan. It just sprays nice and even, just like water flowing down a rock, you know, into a riverbed, stuff like that. It flows really well. But you can control the flow with this cap right here. If I can get it off, there you go. You can control the flow with this cap. You can actually put it partially on, so it sucks in air. You can leave it off. But all in all, these jugs are really nice. Just a quick video for you guys. I do like that these little nozzles thread on. You could use it without the nozzle if you like. You don't actually have to use it with the nozzle. It's also nice that you can just put this little cap on it and then throw the nozzle inside. It's always nice. If you're going to leave it full of liquid, you're not going to want to put the nozzle inside. But that's all I got for you guys today. I'll do some videos on the mystery item, and I'll do a couple videos of everything I picked up from Napa as well as O'Reilly's. This white bag under here is actually Napa. This is O'Reilly's on top. That's all I got for you guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys let me know if you've watched this. What do you guys think of it? Appreciate you guys' time. Leave comments down below. And I appreciate you guys watching as always. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!